Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the delicious world of pizza, a food loved by people all around the globe. From its humble beginnings to the innovative creations we see today, we'll explore the fascinating journey of how pizza came to be. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our tasty content. Now, let's roll the dough and start our journey into the origin and innovation of pizza. Pizza's story starts in ancient times. The earliest forms of pizza-like dishes date back to ancient civilizations such as the Greeks, Egyptians, and Romans. These cultures would bake flatbreads and top them with various ingredients. But it was in Naples, Italy, during the 18th century, that the modern pizza as we know it began to take shape. Naples was a bustling port city, and sailors and merchants needed a quick and affordable meal. That's when the iconic Neapolitan pizza was born. The classic Neapolitan pizza features a thin, soft crust topped with tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, basil, and olive oil. Legend has it that this pizza combination was created to honor the colors of the Italian flag, red, white, and green. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Italian immigrants brought pizza to the United States. Initially, it was popular among Italian communities. But after World War II, American soldiers stationed in Italy developed a taste for pizza, bringing its popularity back home with them. The post-war era also saw the rise of pizza chains, making this beloved dish accessible to people all over the world. As pizza gained popularity, innovative chefs and home cooks started experimenting with new toppings and styles. Today, the world of pizza is incredibly diverse. We have the traditional Neapolitan, the thin crust New York style, the deep dish Chicago style, and even unique variations like dessert pizzas topped with sweet treats. The possibilities are endless, and pizza continues to evolve. And there you have it, the incredible journey of pizza, from its ancient origins to the innovative creations we enjoy today. Whether you prefer a classic margherita or a creative fusion pizza, one thing is certain: pizza has become a universal comfort food that brings people together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow pizza enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments your favorite type of pizza and any unique toppings you love. Thanks for joining us on this mouth-watering adventure. Until next time, keep on enjoying the cheesy, delicious goodness of pizza. Bye for now.